Hello, and welcome to our blank space that we made into the heart of our home, all with the help of the RTA store. Each cabinet came in a box just like this, neatly packed and ready to be assembled. The RTA store has both pre-assembled and ready-to-assemble cabinets, but we opted for the latter because with 2 sets of hands and a few simple tools, it's really not a daunting process. We also loved all of the options for both upper and lower cabinets because we were able to easily find something that worked in our space and also worked for our lifestyle. Here, we're building one of our many 3-drawer lower cabinets, which was the best configuration for storing all of our kitchen essentials. And of course, we can't forget about design. Choosing these slim shaker cabinets was a super easy decision because we felt like it was that touch of modern that our space needed, and also just a nice break from your classic shaker design. The wood tone finish of these cabinets also bring a ton of warmth into the space while still keeping it a nice and bright kitchen. Our renovation has been complete for a few months now, and we are still so happy with both the function and design of our RTA cabinets. The question now is, where else can we use these cabinets in our house?